Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you 10 better ways to say unemployed. Being unemployed can be difficult. If you have no job, then maybe you do see yourself as unemployed. But to some people it makes you sound like a victim. People can feel sorry for you or feel awkward about how to react. Compare how these two sentences sound. I am unemployed. I am looking for work in finance. How you answer this question in your native language might be different, but in English you will get a better reaction from people if you genuinely feel the more positive answer to be true. Please note that I am not saying to use a phrase which you feel isn't right for you. I am saying that how you answer this question, especially at career related events and at parties, will communicate to others how you feel about yourself. So friends, other ways to say you are out of work involves saying what are you doing. First one is, well, right now I am spending a lot of time with my family. Next one is, right now I am spending a lot of my time writing a book. You can also say, right now I am spending a lot of my time studying or taking language classes. Next one is, I am looking for work in accounting. And next one is, I am between the job. This is very effective and formal way to say I am unemployed. And next one is, I am organizing a trip abroad. I am planning on setting up my own startup or an online business. Next one is, I am looking into ways of expanding my career. I left my last job and now I want to move forward. Next one is, experimenting with real-time time travel. I am recent graduate. Last but not the least, I am at liberty. I hope you like this video. Friends, if you want to learn English, then must subscribe this channel. So this is now end of the video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.